Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Malibu headlight bulb using an easy method. First, you'll need a new H11 headlight bulb, which is common for the low beam and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Safety first, always. Now, let's gain access to that bulb. You'll need to remove a few plastic push pins from the radiator cover and the wheel well liner. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry them out. Once those are removed, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender. You don't need to remove the entire bumper, just enough to create a small working space. For the driver's side, you might find it easier to temporarily remove the windshield washer reservoir neck. With access gained, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to detach it from the old bulb. Then, grab the base of the old bulb, rotate it about a quarter turn counterclockwise, and gently pull it straight out. Remember to handle the new H11 bulb by its plastic base, avoiding touching the glass. Align the new bulb's tabs with the housing slots, push it in, and twist it clockwise until it feels secure. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, carefully push the bumper cover and wheel well liner back into their original positions. Reinstall all the plastic pins and any bolts you removed. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Check both high and low beams to ensure everything is working as it should. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.